Dear students, in this lecture we will do third property of discrete Fourier transform, that is circular time reversal property. The statement of this property is if x of n point DFT is x of k, then the DFT of circular, we know circular sequences can be represented by x of capital N minus n. ठीक है, circular sequence x of capital N minus n, its DFT will be equal to capital X of n minus k. We have to prove this. Clear? Now the formula of DFT is same. X of k is equal to n is from 0 to n minus 1, x of n into e raised to power minus j 2 pi n k upon n. Now this x of k is DFT of this x of n, na? Means this DFT of x of n is x of k. So we can write x of k is equal to DFT of x of n. Now according to the statement, this x of n is replaced by, if this x of n is replaced by x of capital N minus n, then x of k will be equals to this. So to start the proof, we replaced this x of n by capital N minus n. So we write capital X, that x of k, that is DFT of x of n. Here we replace x of n by x of capital N minus n according to statement of the property. And this is equals to, according to formula, this is n is from 0 to n minus 1. This x of n is replaced by x of capital N minus 1, and this is same, e raised to power minus j 2 pi n k upon n. According to this k should be replaced by x of n minus k. ठीक है, this k is that is written over here. ठीक है, if this k is k1, then we will write here x of k1. If this k is k2, then we write here x of k2. Means to make this capital X of n minus k, you have to replace this k. But one thing more in this formula is this summation n should be there, then x of n, this small n should be there, and this n should be same. ठीक है, then you can write this k by x of k. Now in this formula, ठीक है, here we have to replace this thing and this by same variable, and we try that this k should be equals to n minus k. So to do this, first we will suppose n minus n, capital N minus n, this capital N minus n is that we replaced x of n. ठीक है, we replaced x of n by x of capital N minus n. So this was the last line. ठीक है, so this capital N minus n is replaced by L, first thing. So this DFT of x of capital N minus n will remain same, and this capital N minus n will replaced by L. So let's start with this limit. N is equal to 0. If n is equal to 0, means this small n is equal to 0, then L will be equals to n. If this small n is equal to n minus 1, then L will be equals to 1. Means if the limit of n is 0 to n minus 1, then limit of this L will be equals to 1 to n. But this is a periodic sequence or circular sequence. So it is same if we take 1 to n or we take 0 to n minus 1. Means we have sequence this 1 2, this sequence 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. ठीक है, if we take this sequence from this 1 2 3 4 or 2 3 4 1, it is the same thing. Means 1 2 3 4 or 2 3 4 1 is the same thing. Means we will start from 0 to n minus 1, मतलब 0 1 2 3, or we start from 1 to n, means 1 2 3 4. This is the same thing, means limit 1 to n can be written as 0 to n minus 1 because it is a periodic circular sequence. So limit this n is equal to 0 to capital N is replaced by L is equal to 0 to n minus 1. This x of n minus L is here x of L, clear? And this e raised to power minus j 2 pi small n is replaced by, this small n is replaced by capital N minus L, clear? Capital N minus L, and this k is same. Clear up to now? Means we have changed the summation, we have changed this n, and we have changed this n from L is equal to n minus n. Clear? So in next step we will open this bracket. Summation L is from 0 to n minus 1. Write here x of L e raised to power minus j 2 pi capital N k upon n into e raised to power this minus minus plus j 2 pi L k upon n. ठीक है? Again in this k n is cancelled, capital N is cancelled. Here it is e raised to power minus j 2 pi k, and this is always equal to 1. We do this in last property. So this remain with summation L is from 0 to n minus 1. X of, this is x of L because we put capital N minus n is equals to L, and this part is equals to 1, e raised to power minus j 2 pi n. This part is equals to 1. We left with this e raised to power j 2 pi L k upon n. ठीक है? Now this L is same, this L is same, and this is same. Now we have to take here, we have to replace this k. ठीक है? Because we have to prove capital X of n minus k. So we multiply this by e raised to power minus j 2 pi L n upon capital N, because this is equals to 1. This n will be cancelled out with this. This e raised to power minus j 2 pi L is equals to 1. So we multiply this by 1. ठीक है? Because this is equals to 1. But if we, bases are same, if we add or combine these two parts, then this will be equal to L is equal to 0 to x of n minus 1. ठीक है? If we combine these two parts, the here summation is L is from 0 to n minus 1. X of, this is x of L basically, is equals to e raised to power minus j 2 pi L is common. Here it is n and here it is minus k, minus minus plus, k is plus upon n. ठीक है? Clear? ठीक है? I told you if it, here it is n, here it is n, and here it is n. ठीक है? This is x of n. ठीक है? If this k is, now this k is replaced by x of n minus k. So this part will be equal to x of n minus k instead of x of k. If we write here k, then this part is equals to x of k. But now k is replaced by capital N minus k. So this part will be equals to capital X of n minus k. In this side, it is dft of x of capital N minus 1. That we have to prove. The statement of property was x of capital N minus n, its n point dft should be equal to capital of n minus k. In this we have to prove this. ठीक है? This was your circular time reversal property. In next lecture we will do circular time shift property. Thank you.